Here we have a gorgeous 2021 GMC Sierra AT4. This vehicle has a 6.2 liter engine in it, 420 horsepower that's going to scat you down the highway real quick. Of course, we have LED lighting in our GMCs. We have red tow hooks with the AT4 and also fog lamps come with the AT4. Nice 20-inch all-terrain tires. See 6.2 liter badging. We have turn signals on our mirrors. This is a crew cab truck, so we can bring all the family with us. It's in excellent condition. 2021, like I said. It's got dual exhaust. It's got a trailering package. It's got backup sensors along with backup cameras. It's got the multi-pro tailgate, so it flips and then flips again. And inside we already have a spray and bed liner. Coming out to the left side, driver's side of the vehicle, as you can see, it's clean, it's beautiful. Let's take a look inside. See, we have passive lock right here. Inside, of course, our beautiful black with the tan leather that's in all of our AT4s. It's gorgeous. The floor is covered with GM floor liners that cover all of the floor and all of the carpet. The AT4, this one we have rear heated seats. We also have USB A and C. Also a plug-in for the rear, which is nice. Let's check it front. See, gorgeous truck. Also there's front park assist. That's why there's sensors on the bumper there. Let's take a look at the inside of the front. So we have power locks, we have memory seating for 2 drivers. We have power windows and power mirrors. Bose audio system this truck boasts. Power seats, both sides, driver and passenger. Over here we have our trailering mode, also our 4-wheel drive cluster, along with our headlamp dial. On the steering wheel we have menu settings, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth settings on this side, GM's infotainment system right there. Dual climate controls. We have heated and ventilated seats in the front. We have hill descend in this truck. USB A and C also. We have plug-ins. A push button start. This truck has a moonroof in it. There's the controls for it right there, along with the OnStar controls. So you can take a look at the passenger side. It's beautiful, excellent condition. Just a gorgeous truck. Right here we have wireless charging. That's a really nice feature. We have trailer brake gain right there. And this truck only has 28,900 kilometers on it. If this truck's something you're interested in, get a hold of us today here at Steel GMC Buick. This one won't last long.